kami ngayon sa...
Ready ka na ba maglinis ngayon? Ready ka na ba maglinis ngayon?
Ready po.
Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Ready na!
Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Fighting!
Hi guys!
Hello guys. So naubusan kami ng gloves
Para safe.
kasi marami ang gamit ng gloves. So ayun, bibili kami sa
Papunta kami sa tindahan ngayon
malaking tindahan
para bumili ng
para
gloves.
mag-refill ng aming gloves so that we can
Para
UGs?
safe kami habang nagalinis.
Cornetto, baby! Endorsement!
Dito yung ano namin. Yung isang team. Hi guys. Hi guys. So tapos na po kami magbili ng gloves. Pakita mo yung resibo, Proof of legitimacy. Kaya babalik naman tayo sa kung asan sila.
Go back! Napakabili talaga ng Jensen.
So ngayon, Sphinx, ay malapit na kaming matapos at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga basurang nalikom namin kanina. So, yan. Dun pa, may isa pa. Alam mo lang. So, ipagpatuloy namin ang aming palilinis mga maya-maya dahil nagpapahinga pa ang SPX. Kaya, a-update ko kayo maya-maya. Keep on watching, guys!
Basta kami magpahinga, so papunta na kami doon. Para mag-start ulit ng maglinis.
Yes! Let's go! Go! We're ready!
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon, Kate?
Nararamdaman ko ngayon ay wala. Wala akong nararamdaman ngayon.
Basta napakainit.
Sino ba? Ibigil na photo.
Ito, sino to? Hi ma'am, pwede kami may interview. Ano ba nararamdaman niyo ngayon?
Po namin. Init.
Oh, di ba mainit? Sabi ko sa inyo.
Sorry. Talaga po. Ha? Init? Sinasabi niyo.
May gloves kami guys para maglinis na kami. Saan gloves niyo?
Init dito sa Jensen. Napaka-lamig. Parang napaka-lamig.
Wait na! Uy, kanina guys. Ito yung mga, pakita mo. Yan, mga basura. Mga basura.
Ipakita mo! Update po. Update po. May naisa ko na po kami.
Oh, maglinis na tayo! Tara na! Go!
Oh, there's a picture. Ooh! Tanungin natin sila ngayon kung ano ang kanilang nararamdaman. Ay lang. So, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon naglilinis ka dito?
Nakakapagod pero masaya naman.
Oh! So, maghanap muna tayo ng iba. Hi, Tel! Tel, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon naglilinis ka?
I'm overwhelmed by the emotions. Pero okay lang.
Ay, shucks! Talaga namang mga ka-English.
guys.
Update guys!
Gutom, pagod, nauuhaw, nangyayamot.
Pagod na daw sila, pero let's ask. Kaya pa? Yes, it's actually really fun. Kings, tapos na kaming maglinis ngayon at pupunta na kami sa barangay hall para ibigay ang lahat ng basura na aming nalikom. SPX!
Nandito kami ngayon para bumuo ng egg sandwich. Ang egg sandwich na ito ay ipamimigay namin sa mga taong nangangailangan.
And here are the list na bibili namin sa public market. Oh, ano pang inihintay nyo? Tara na!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hi mga ka-Sphinx!
So, ano man?
Hi mga ka-Sphinx! So nandito kami ngayon sa public market upang bumili ng mga ingredients para sa aming egg sandwich.
Yes, so we got the goods na. First item on the list is egg. So, let's go.
Let's go!
Guys, so magbili na kami ng seasonings for our egg sandwich. Okay, no, wrong direction. Hi guys! So ngayon magbili na kami ng lettuce for our bread with sandwich, and also kulang na lang namin is also sandwich, yung bread mismo, which is our main ingredient. So
Hi, sis! Okay, maghintay muna kami ng ilang minutes kasi hindi pa daw ready ang bread for slicing.
guys, so today we are continuing our cooking show. So on this side, meron kaming itlog, boiled egg, and on this side naman kay ano to? Anong tawag dito?
Papasindi ka na.
Nagpapasindi sila ng charcoal. Uling. And there you have it. So, this is our working station, our cooking station. As you can see, they are peeling the egg. Wow. Very clean. And over here is our ingredients that we prepared. Yan po. And over here naman is we have Johan and Shanin. They are writing verses. And dyan po ilalagay yung sandwich na ibibigay namin sa mga bata. I mean mga homeless people.
Nag-toast kami ng bread para mag-harden. And then, nalagyan namin ng butter and hindi siya yung mas-mash.
I-smash na natin!
Welcome back mga ka-Sphinx. And after smashing our eggs to a pulp, we are now going to add our mayonnaise for tasting.
A few moments later.
Kayo guys, okay lang kayo dyan? Anong ginagawa nyo?
Nag-umakyat kami.
Umakyat kayo? Oh, sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Guys, so tapos na kami magluto.
And ngayon, ibibigay na namin ang delicious sandwiches na aming naihanda sa mga nangangailangan.
Tara na! Ibigay na natin! Anong? Red ko.
Mag-distribute sa mga food na na-prepare, fair sa palengke.
Hi guys, so magbigay na po kami ng food sa mga nangailangan sa labas ng SM, Gaisano, and PCC. So, see you there!
Hello everyone! So we tried to find people in need at the Oval Plaza. Although unfortunately we didn't find any, so now we are on our way to the Plaza General to find other people in need that we could give food. So let's go! Let's go!
Hello Sphinx, nandito po kami ngayon sa Bagsakan at dito po kami maghanap ng mabibigyan ng pagkain. Let's go!
So we already found someone here and his name, we call him Sharky. Say hi! Hi! Hi!
Uy! Nandiyan ka pala! Hi guys! So today we are naglilibot kami sa Jensen para makahanap ng mga tao na
Nasa likod kami
bibigyan namin.
ng Greenleaf Hotel near SM and we're gonna find mga tao na nangangailangan. Yeah.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. sacrificing love. Before you I will.
Say hi!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Salamat.
Bye-bye. Enjoy yourself.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. I keep waiting.
The whole journey was wholesome. From cleaning up and picking up trash, from others making food, and from giving to those who were in need. I can't deny that it was quite tiring, but after seeing their smiles, it was all worth it.
I was assigned to clean a certain place in Apopong, and it was exhausting because parang nasunog ako, but at the same time, it was fun.
Yung idea na lulutuan namin yung mga bata na ito, like, maganda masyado siya sa feeling.
And what I realized is that it wasn't only because it was a performance task. What we did was voluntary and we were all happy to do it.
Iba yung feeling na makabigay ka ng kahit konti man lang na help. Gusto kong ulitin. Gusto kong gawin ulit yung activities na yun. And you can feel the bond.
And it wasn't just about giving them stuff or doing service for them. It was about understanding them and getting to know them as well.
I've understood that some people may see life to be unfair, life to be unjust. But at the end of the day, we all have the same goals. We all want to eat 3 times a day. We all want to at least makaligo ng isang araw.
Nakatulong ka na nga sa ibang tao, mapi-feel mo kung gaano din ka dedicated yung mga classmate mo. Hindi lang kasi activity ito, kasi para ito sa school. Na-feel ko kasi na gustong-gusto nila magtulong kasi excited sila na magustuhan ba to ng mga bata? Asan ba tayo magpunta? Saan ba mas may kailangan?
One more thing I realized is that every time we encounter people that beg on streets, most of the time we ignore them. But what we forget is they're also human. And that the next time we see someone in need, we should help them because they have feelings, they get hurt, and it's just right to help people. That's all.
Thank you for watching, Sphinx!
Share the love with SPX!